What's going on, guys? Backpack Jack here, bringing you another video. So today we're going to be doing some laundry. It's probably the worst thing about traveling, having to wash your clothes all the time, but it's not that bad. So normally when you get your washing done, you're going to find places that wash it by the kilo, which is obviously the best way to do it. 1 kilo of laundry roughly costs about 40 baht in most places, a lot of the tourist areas. Some places I've seen it's 80 baht for a kilo. It's not a lot, but yeah, just roughly you're going to be expected to pay 40 baht. There are some places that don't do it by the kilo, they do it per item. So if you've got 5 t-shirts, it's going to cost, I don't know, roughly like 20 baht a t-shirt, and then each pair of socks, each pair of underwear, shorts. Those places you want to avoid, because sometimes you could be looking around 250 baht, maybe 290 baht. It's not breaking the bank, but if you keep doing that, it's definitely going to add up. You're also going to find yourself in a situation where you're not going to find those places. You're not going to be near a laundry shop. In this case, I'm in that situation now. The only thing I have to do my laundry is these. These are all over Thailand. I'm in Bangkok now, I'm in Sukhumvit. They're all over the streets, like in alleyways. So this is 30 baht. You need 3 10 baht coins and put all your washing in. I haven't put my washing in, don't know whether you can see that, but put it in, and then it takes an hour to wash, and when you get it out, it's not absolutely soaked, it's a bit like damp, and then you just hang it up in your room or wherever, and the next day you're good to go. The only thing you have to buy is this, some washing up powder. I got this from 7-Eleven. Cost me 10 baht, which is really cheap. It's not really expensive to do your washing here, but yeah, I'm just going to put it in the washing machine, and I'll see you soon. So I'm back, all my clothes are in the washing machine. Just fill that up to the top. Don't know whether I've put too much or too little, but that's how much I put in last time, and my clothes smell good. There is something else you can buy as well that makes your clothes more softer, but I haven't got that. That's what they use in the laundrette. So it's coming on now, and the water should come out any minute. I always do that, I don't know if it helps. That's why it didn't start, because I didn't close the lid. So yeah, that's going to run for 1 hour. Just waiting for the water. There we go. Why is it not working? Sensing. There we go. So I don't think I was doing anything wrong, it's just takes a while to do. So that's going to get all the way up to the top, and time now is nearly 8 o'clock. I'm going to come back at 9 o'clock, collect my washing. So don't have to worry about weighing it for an hour. I definitely don't do that. No one's going to steal. But yeah, as I said before, you want to avoid the places that charge per item for washing, try and go to a place that does it by kilo. If you don't know if they do kilo, always say how much 1 kilo. They'll know what you're on about. So yeah, whenever if you're in a place where they charge per item, don't be afraid to just walk away. Chances are they'll call you back and they'll make it cheaper. It's still going to be a lot more than paying for a kilo, but never be afraid to walk away. At the end of the day, they need the money. It's up to them. Do they want money, or do they want to miss out? It's up to them, because you're always going to find another laundry place. If you can't, you're going to find these little washing machines in the street. So that cost me 30 baht. Top of my head, that's like £3. So it's not a lot. It's definitely cheaper than going to those laundrettes that charge per item. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. So now you know how to wash your clothes. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time.